I'm Charles Dowding, and I've been gardening and market gardening for 40 years. And through the experience I've gained, I can share with you ways of gardening which can save you a lot of time, energy, even money, and bring you more enjoyment. This is a happy place, and it's all through working alongside nature. I'm a no-dig gardener. That's a really lovely thing to do because it means you don't need to worry about cultivating your soil. You don't need to worry about feeds and fertilizers. I show you quite a bit of how that works, and it's very simple methods.